I built a trading bot that can connect to my broker, fetch price data, and run multiple strategies at once. In my last video, I built a basic trading bot in a Jupyter notebook. It worked really well and it did exactly what I asked of it. Problem though is that it isn't very scalable. So I'm going to restructure this into an actual Python script that I can build up over time. This is the original code for that trading bot. Everything is inside of one notebook. The strategy that I used was an EMA Crossover, which is contained inside of this function. And that's a fairly simple strategy. But imagine if I wanted to have a more complex strategy with different conditions, trailing stop loss, multiple take profit levels, and then let's say I had more than one strategy at the same time. You can see how this notebook would become really long and complicated very quickly. So the first thing I did was take all of that code and dump it into its own Python script. Now I could run my trading bot from anywhere without having to use Jupyter Notebook. But the issue with strategies still remained. I needed a way of moving my strategies outside of my trading bot. So instead I created a subfolder called strategies, and inside that I can organize each individual strategy with all of its own logic. So that same EMA crossover strategy from before now has its own Python script. But this time, instead of being a function, it's actually a class. By turning it into a class, I basically make it something that's completely standalone. This way, when I initialize it, I can pass the name of my strategy as well as a bunch of parameters. So for this EMA crossover, for example, I can pass in all of the configuration inside of this one variable. I then have a second function inside of it called check signal. This takes all of the price data that I download from my broker, and then it calculates all the different indicators that it needs. So it works out the fast EMA, the slow EMA, and even the ATR, which I use for the stop loss. Once it's got that, it can start looking at an EMA crossover. It does that by looking at the previous two candles, the most recent one and the one before it. It can then check for a bullish crossover. So if the fast EMA is greater than the slow EMA, but before that the fast EMA was less than the slow EMA, well, that means that on the previous candle, we just had a crossover from below to above. As soon as that happens, I get a positive signal, so I can calculate the entry and the exit prices. The entry is the last close. The stop loss is based on the ATR, and then the take profit is based on the stop distance multiplied by a take profit ratio. That's something that I can pass into this class, so I can target 1.5 times or 2 times take profit. And once that's done, this method is going to return the entry, the stop loss, and the take profit. But if there is no signal, then it returns nothing. And I can then use this same structure to create as many different strategies that I want. For example, I've made another simple one for RSI Oversold. You'll notice that the layout is exactly the same. It starts off by initializing with the name and the parameters, and then it goes into the check signal method. The only difference is that instead of the EMAs, it's now calculating the RSI. But everything else, including the logic, is pretty much the same. So over time, I can build up a library of different strategies inside of this folder. All the while, the code for my main bot in this file remains clean and tidy. So how do I actually initialize and use those strategies now that they're inside of their own scripts? Well, my main file now imports the two of them. So I import my EMA cross and my RSI oversold. I then need to initialize them a little bit later on. This is where I pass in those arguments that actually make the strategies specific. So first of all is the name, like the EMA cross is EMA 58, which just means that it's got a 5 and an 8 period EMA. The second argument is the important one. This is the actual parameters that the strategy is going to use. So I have my fast EMA, my slow EMA, and my take profit ratio of 1.5 times. I then do the exact same thing with my RSI oversold strategy. I give it a name of RSI 30, a period of 14, the oversold threshold of 30, and a take profit ratio of 1.5 times again. Now when I go down into my trading bot logic down into the main function, it iterates through those strategies inside of a for loop. And for each of the strategies, it calls the check signal method, which is built in to each of those strategy scripts. And that's either going to return a trade signal or not. And then depending on whether there was a trade signal or not, I can output some information from the trading bot. So if I did want to create another strategy, I just create another file in this folder, and then I make sure to instantiate it here as a third strategy. The rest of the trading bot logic stays the same, and it will handle all of these automatically. And by the way, the full project is over on my GitHub. It has the main bot logic, the config file, and everything else that you need to run it, as well as the 2 different strategies. They are just dummy strategies, they're not anything that I've properly backtested, but they demonstrate how the bot works. I'm going to keep building on this and publish new versions as I add more features. Access is available through GitHub sponsors or over on my Patreon. The links for both are in the video description. I've got a bunch of ideas that I want to add to this trading bot, but let me know if you have any of your own suggestions and I'll see if I can fit them in. Thanks for watching.